Hello friend, welcome back Serial A to Z. What's up guys? Today we are talking about one of the funniest and most joystick storyline from Friends, the Barbados trip episode. These episodes had everything romantic drama, lottery madness, Joey being Joey Rose acting jealous, Monica fighting humidity, and somehow baby Ima saying the word Jelba. Yeah, thing got weird fast. So let's break down all the funniest and craziest moments from these legendary episodes. Ross goes full professor mode. So the whole gang heads to Barbados because Ross is giving a Paleontology speech at a conference, and honestly, Ross is so proud of himself here. He gets everyone conference passes like it's the greatest gift ever. Meanwhile, everyone else is basically like, cool, but when do we get to the beach? Classic Ross. And Joey advice before the flight with Charlie. Absolutely unhygiened. He tells Rose to sit under a blanket with Charlie on the plane and do what comes natural. And Rose immediately hits him with, it's a blanket, not a cloak of invisibility. That line is gold. Monica versus Barbados humidity. Now let's talk about Monica. The Barbados humidity absolutely destroy her hair. At first, she's trying to act calm about it, like it just gets a little extra body. Meanwhile, her hair keeps growing bigger every single scene. By the end, she basically looks like a 1980 rock star. One of the funniest visual gags in the entire series, and Chandler comparing their honeymoon photos to him and Diana Ross was savage. Joey and Charlie shocks everyone. Okay, this storyline was messy. Charlie started dating Joey and nobody can believe it, especially Ross. He keeps pretending he is totally fine with it, but he is obviously dying inside. And the funniest part is Joey sound trying to sound smart around Charlie when he says her mind is totally equanimous. Bro, that's not even close to the right word. Joey always had confidence through though, and honestly that's why his character works so well. The lottery episode madness. Now now we switch over to one of the best side story ever, the lottery tickets. Everybody is convinced they are about to become millionaires except Rose. Rose keeps explaining statistics and odds like a human calculator while everyone else is just dreaming about helicopter and munitions. monsoons. Phoebe says, we won the paper, we cannot print whatever we want. After threatening fake headlines about Ross eating his own arm. That is peak Phoebe energy. And honestly, the gang together in lottery mode is exactly why Friends worked so well. Just six people acting ridiculous together. Imag's first word, Jalwa. One of the weirdest but funniest moment. Rachel thinks Ima says her first word. Rose get emotional. Then they realize the word is Jalwa, and somehow Rose actually finds it in the dictionary. Apparently, it means the fleshy spore bearing inner mass of a fungus. Only Rose Geller's daughter would accidentally say a science word as her first word. That joke was written especially for Rose and it worked perfectly. Chandler quits his job. Now, underneath all the comedy, there actual a real sweet emotional moments. Chandler quits his boring Tulsa job because he misses Monica too much. And honestly, this is one of the Chandler biggest character growth moments in the series. Early season Chandler would never risk his career like that. But now he finally chooses happiness over money. And Monica's reaction makes in whole scene even better. Super emotional, super whole. And these Barbados episode perfectly so Wahi Friend became one of the greatest sitcom every mode. Every character gets their moment. Rose being awkward and jealous, Joey being hilarious, confident, Chandler being scarcity but lovable, Monica fighting humidity, Phoebe being completely chaotic, Rachel balancing drama and comedy perfectly, and somehow all these random storylines still come together perfectly. Funny, emotional, joystick. This is peak Friends. Alright, guys, that's the review. What was your favorite moment from this episode? Monica giant hair, Joy using acrimonious wrong, the lottery madness, or Emma saying Jeliwa. Drop your favorite scene in the comment, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more TV show and funny sitcom breakdowns. See you guys in the next video, and love and support do. Thank you.